Hello, my dear students. Very good morning to all of you. Once again, I welcome you all to this TYBSc online lecture. As we know, in the last lecture we started our topic modern approach to chemical industry. Today is the lecture 2, that is lecture 2nd. In the last lecture, we are discussed about introduction of the topic modern approach to chemical industry, as well as we studied some basic requirements of chemical industry. Means for an establishment of chemical industry, what are the basic requirement that we have studied in the previous lecture. Also we studied the typical chemical process which is used in chemical industry. So these are the points we studied in the last lecture. Today we are going to see some more points regarding the units of a chemical industry. The points which we are going to study today: unit process, unit operation and quality control. In the last lecture we studied about basic requirement, chemical production and the raw material. Okay, in this lecture we are going to study unit process, unit operations, quality control. Let's start first. Unit process. What is the unit process? Unit process, basically it involves the chemical changes, chemical and physical changes, but mostly it is involved in the chemical changes. Unit process is the function of chemical as well as the physical changes in which the chemical changes are carried out. Unit process involves the chemical changes. How unit process is described as the commercialization of a chemical reaction under such conditions which prove to be economically profitable. Means there is a certain chemical reaction that must be the chemically, or we can say economically profitable to the industry. Means such a process, such a chemical reaction, such a chemical changes, it involved in the unit process that must be commercially profitable to the organization. Means such a chemical reaction. Unit process is nothing but there is a simple chemical reactions involved in that manufacture. A unit process principally deals with the chemical reaction involving chemical changes in the material. For example, if you are performing a certain simple reaction of condensation, or we are performing a simple of a cyclization reaction, if two reactive molecules are taken, if they are under condensation reaction, it gives a certain product. This condensation reaction is nothing but the unit process, because there is a chemical changes are happens in that material. Once the chemical changes happens, it should result to the product. This chemical change, this chemical reaction involves in unit process. Therefore, unit process basically it deals with the chemical changes. Therefore, unit process is described as the commercialization of a chemical reaction under such conditions such which prove to be economically profitable. Means you have to perform any chemical reaction, any chemical change that must be economically profitable. Here the changes are controlled, the chemical changes are controlled by temperature, pressure and the concentration with respect to the reaction time. Now we can see here some important unit process: alkylation, ammonilysis, condensation, as I told you, condensation, dehydration, esterification, halogenation, nitration, oxidation, every chemical reaction which is involved in a unit process. We see in the table ammonilysis. Here the certain process where in a chemical industry which are used. Ammonilysis used in the dyestuff organic chemicals. Reduction reaction, it is used in inorganic as well as organic. Condensation, synthetic perfume. These are some examples. There are a lot of application of condensation reactions are there. Esterification, oils, fats and soaps, as we studied in the we are going to study in some more examples of soaps and detergent topic. There is a esterification reaction, that is soap preparation reaction, nitration, carboxylation. These are the some unit process which are where the used in a chemical industry. Now let's see unit operation. Now what is unit operation? Unit operation is very simple. It involves engineer's work. It involves an engineer's work. Chemical operations commonly used in a chemical process. See, here the chemical operations are used for performing the chemical process. Means the operations are carried out for designing a chemical process, involves and engineer's work with the help of special type of equipment used in a chemical reaction. What is the unit operation? Unit operation is very simple. There is a engineer's work which you require. You require certain operations. You require certain engineers special type of equipment to perform the unit process. That is called as the unit operation. For example, distillation, filtration, solvent extraction, evaporation, centrifugation. These are the operations. Means once the chemical reaction is carried out, for chemical process perform, you require certain equipment. Those are called as the special type of equipments which are required for performing the process is called as the unit process. Is called as the unit operations. Means you require special type of equipments to perform unit process is called as the unit operations. Here we can see filtration is one of the unit operation. Means once the reaction is completed, you have to physical treatment, then filtration you require. There is for the filtration you require apparatus like Buchner funnel. That is a equipment you required for the unit operation. Distillation unit is there, simple distillation unit as we can see in the figure. Centrifugation is the operation. For the centrifugation you require the centrifuge machine. Okay, means unit process are carried out by the unit operations by the using the certain equipments. Okay, now last one, quality control, which is very important. Quality control, in the word quality control, which is a unit which we can see here, the quality of the product, the quality of the desired product, any desired product which is controlled by this unit, that is called as quality control. This is a very famous unit in which most of the we can say here chemists are worked in the quality control unit in the pharmaceutical industries. Quality control is one of the unit. Here we can see how the immense importance in a chemical process industry. कुठलाही फार्मा इंडस्ट्री असेल की कोणत्याही केमिकल इंडस्ट्रीज मध्ये क्वालिटी कंट्रोल इज वन ऑफ द ग्रेट इम्पॉर्टन्स फॉर दैट यूनिट बिकॉज इट involves the regular routine technical work of activities to measure the quality of the inventory product as well as the raw material. Means where we have to control, check it, quality of the product. This is the routine technique in which quality control unit, the testing of the raw materials, testing of the finished products of this standard specifications are carried out. Means in the quality control unit, you must check the quality of the product, quality of the raw material, what type of qualities are there, which grade have to be defined. In this quality control, the desired products are defined. Different industries require different quality and purity of the product. As we know, there are different chemical products are there. We require different grades. Some are technical grades, some are analytical grades, some are reagent grade, some are synthetic grade, some are spectroscopic grade. So this grade which is defined by the quality control unit means how the purity is there, how the quality is there, depends on the quality, the grades are defined. Therefore, technical grade, analytical grade, reagent grade and spectroscopic grade are used to denote the degree of the purity of the compounds. Means where in the quality control the grades are defined of the product. Means there is a routine technique of testing of the raw material, testing of the products, all the things are carried out in a quality control unit. Okay, so with this, thank you so much. So as we studied in this lecture, there are 3 units we discussed. One is the unit process, second is the unit operation, and third one is the quality control of a unit process. Okay, once again I thank you so much for watching this video.